Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and let me share with you my summer must-have IPL hair removal device from AUYUKOI. Now, I have gotten so tired of shaving. I am just ready to be hairless, but I don't want to spend hundreds of dollars getting laser hair removal. So this IPL device has me on my way to being hairless. This IPL device uses bright light to damage the root of your hair. So after using it over time, the hair will thin gradually and stop regrowing. So after using this for about 1 month, I have definitely noticed my hair thinning on my legs and on my underarms and coming in slower. I'm also just so excited to just keep using it and see my hair coming in even less. To use the device, your hair has to be shaved, so it's a nice inclusion that the set comes with a razor, and it also comes with glasses to shield your eyes from the bright lights, which I highly recommend wearing. Now, you can use this all over your body. I've been using it on my legs, my underarm, my bikini line, my arms. So I think it's just such a smart purchase if you are like me and you are sick of shaving. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.